Hello everyone, today we are going to go over how you can use DialMyCalls to help conduct emergency response team meetings. Once you have logged into your DialMyCalls account, click on Broadcast and New Broadcast. Select Phone Call, Text Message, and Email to ensure everyone receives the meeting invite. Click Next to continue. Select the contact groups that you'd like your emergency response team meeting invite to go to. Once you've selected your contacts, click Next. You will now want to select the phone number that will be used as the caller ID when you send out your meeting invite. Click Next to continue. Select your meeting invite recording and click Next to continue. From the drop-down menu, select the phone number that will be used to send out your text message. Then you will want to select the Save Text Message template or create a new text by typing in the dialog box below. Click Next to continue. The email option is a free option, so it will automatically populate the text message that you are sending out. Click Next to continue. Name your broadcast so that you can easily find the detailed report and view the results. Click Next to continue. Go over all the details of your broadcast, and if everything looks good, click on Confirm and Send and then click Yes. Your emergency response team meeting invite will now be sent to all of the contacts you selected via phone call, text message, and email. Go back to your dashboard and you will now see the meeting invites listed under completed broadcast. Click any of the notifications to view the detailed report, which will show every contact that received your message and the result for each. That's it. You have now learned how to use DialMyCalls to help conduct an emergency response team meeting. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086, our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.